How to sell photos on Wix. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell photos on Wix. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Wix, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Wix, it is a cloud-based website development platform that allows users to create professional-looking websites without needing extensive coding knowledge, in which it offers a drag-and-drop editor, making it easy to customize layouts, add multimedia content, and integrate various features such as contact forms, e-commerce tools, and booking systems. And Wix also provides a wide range of templates tailored to different industries and needs, along with the built-in SEO tools to help improve site visibility. So now to create an account, you can simply click the link in the description or click the Get Started button on the top right. After signing in, you'll be directed in this page of Wix in here. And as you can see in here, it will show us that a variety of website that is now available already been created. So all you need to do is simply select your website, and after that, you will automatically be directed on the dashboard of here, and it will show you on the left side panel some of the options to navigate. But to start getting paid or receive a payments from our customer when we try to sell photos in our Wix website, we can simply click on the left side panel this getting paid option in here, in which by clicking on it, it will show us how you can start connecting or setting up our account. Or you could also click the settings button on the left side panel, and from here just click accept payments option. And upon doing so, it will show you a variety of options to navigate or connect. We have here also first depending on your country or location. But as you can see, I only have here PayPal and manual payments. However, under more payment options, it will show us that you can choose either HitPay, payment wall, online payments, and many more, where you can link your account on it. Now aside from that, you could also choose this getting paid to customize your invoices, codes, pay links, and many more. And now to proceed, it will show us in here under this homepage how we can start customizing our website by clicking edit site button on the top right corner, in which will automatically be directed in here. So this is basically the editing tools on the left side panel that you can start navigating and customize your own website. But since we're trying to sell photos, the first thing that we need to do is to click the Add Apps button on the left side panel, and it will show us under Wix App Market by simply searching the search bar, or simply install this Wix stores in here, which is this one. However, as you can see, when you try to click on it, it is already installed since my website has been already installed this kind of application in here automatically. But if you don't, you can simply add again, or simply add or installed here your Wix stores application. And after that, you can now proceed by navigating some other options or click the save button on the top right corner to save the changes. But since we're trying to sell here photos in this website, you can simply go back to your dashboard or the homepage in here after installing the application and go to the catalog section in here. And upon entering here or clicking the catalog, you can simply add a new product by clicking new product button on the top right corner. However, you can also start deleting this list of product by simply checking all of this and click delete to proceed, and click delete once again, and just click the new product button on the top right corner in order to start adding a new product, which is the photos that we're going to sell, and click digital file in here. Now upon clicking digital file, it will show us in here that we need to fill out the required information starting to the product title. I'm going to enter here, for example, abstract image, and after that you could also enter or upload here your file. We have here image, audio file, document, and zip file, but just choose image. And after that, you will be directed or show you on this pop-up window that you can simply choose a digital file or even upload from your computer. You can choose either to your Wix using Google Drive, Facebook, using your Instagram, Dropbox, photos, and many more. But I'm going to choose, for example, here my Wix account. By clicking this one, you should be able to see a variety of folders, and you can simply track the place of the image you need to upload here. So alternatively, you can choose from your computer files, where you can simply choose here or upload from your computer. And after uploading, you should be able to see the result, which is this one. And upon clicking on it, you can click add the products button below. Now as you can see, it is not being added, so all you need to do is to wait for it to be fully loaded. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is simply enter here, for example, a ribbon. I'm going to enter limited edition. And after that, just click the add button in here to proceed. Now below, you could also add a description. You can make it bold, italic, and you could also make a hyperlink text in here, or you can add a link on each context in here. And below, you could even also add a new images or videos about the product or the images that you are selling. And after that, scrolling down in here, it will show you that you could also add a variety of information or other details, such as to add an info section in here that you prefer. You can add a title and a description of it. Now under the pricing option below, you can simply enter the pricing of the images that you are selling or the photos in here. For example, 99 pesos. You could also enter here the cost of goods, and it will show you the margin that will get you in here. For example, 20, it will show you the margin, which is 79.8%. You could also track in the inventory if you're only selling a limited edition. For example, by simply entering here the amount, which is 99 inventory or 99 only available that you can sell. Now on the right side panel under advanced, you could also enter the product, tax group if you want to, and even the brand of it. And aside from that, you could also enter here or create a new category. For example, image, artwork, and after that, just simply click this check button in order to save the changes of the category that you just add. Now as you can see, it is now currently added. If you now filling out the required information, just click the save button on the top right corner. But aside from that, it will show in here that once a customer purchases these images, they will be able to receive links to download the digital products that you just created in here, where they can start checking out our product. Now after saving the products in here, you should be able to see under this list of products. We have here the name of it, the type of products which use digital, the price of this, and even the inventory or the total amount available. Or you could also promote your product on Google Ads, email campaign, social posts, Facebook and Instagram ads, and many more. So basically, it will show you that we have now successfully created a product in which when you try to refresh your Wix website, it will show you on the right side panel or by clicking the page of the catalog or the product section. You should be able to see here that the product that we just added has now been successfully added. So in here, just simply click the home page on the top panel in here and click the page in here, which is this category page or this product page in here. Upon doing so, you should be able to see here the product that we just create, which is this one, abstract image. So this is basically what the customers will see once they try to click or search for our product. Now going back in here, it will show you on the left side panel that we can track here our inventory and other data analytics by clicking, for example, these customers and leads, where it will show us all of our lists of customers. Then you could also navigate the contacts in here or the list of information of your customers. You could also navigate the analytics to see of your reporting data, including your earnings, your visitors, and many more. But overall, that is just basically how you can sell photos on Wix. Thank you.